Adom TV so Adom TV so bejo ndwuma die so dia wo kense wo sempa esa kena no penso jaw medin the Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo wala sagudie crach ba ko pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunyana me kono kwanten kwadin sema do esa kena no penso biu e wo Ghana gudim ejaw chano soma me se richoku do no pa bia dia ma wo sanka richoku ye din sonyumbo a eyeye ye din so hye so bon so a eyeye richoku no ye wo ketwa ye wadentem anafie obo the family size no betimi atwe ne family akofie wona nkwala na enkonom ebetia bo manema etia kwedi ama we no say 2 in 1 but me ken kan ho no otimi sampa ne ma ne do so mo flavor mo eye vanilla wum ye cocoa powder o milk wum na fe sugar esan wum otimi sampa e yakobe sesin 1 crab modern da say onsa betia carry choco betia bo a e ma ne ma etia tutu ye di ama game park games enso de chacha so kwetua samba boys dia idi na nyasem ketwa kra entem pass bo modern da say onsa betia ka draw no anopa onsa betia ka best no kron na fe so ewia prem trubens onsa betia ka na fe so no sia anwumre eno so e be san de draw na bro live e Adom TV so mo husena nema AC ko fa gym na ohwesena nema AC ko so na say amazing pick one game no about with the bank wo de ho gibe betia boa e ma osika sem so etimi asakra e de amount we mo any sponsors so mo techira bo me no penso ye den komo no 18 say jaw yen sha se ntem pass na fe fan komo no 18 sambra na husena nema AC kwa 2026 World Cup qualification results Saudi 20 p benra no e na medi eja no Nigeria for any lesser to ebo 1-1 e o Mackenzie Kesi 22 joining Kivet for Angola and so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren obi entimi mposo nyon kwatina ana afen so kwado woni 8 sachima Burundi for wom so 8 eche Gambia twom 3-2 e o Mackenzie na Africa bon 2 ana Kenya 1 Botswana for so transima Mozambique for ebe yo Mozambique small crowd mu twom kamiensa e ma omotimi atimu mienu e o Mackenzie na afen so Algeria wom so 8 eche Somalia for twom kamiensa e ma Somalia take karaba ko e wa Kenya and also 8 pm no bonia koma hwese na games ni bi esi ekoso Ntinese matches na no so etimiensa to dwa nyame adoma ne matches ne bi betiensa ba so Comoros beton se da first Central African Republic no de akensi no etimi aboso e ho na afen so Ghana ye ne Madagascar enso de akensi ne betian aboso me ne o ka say de Kumase Baba Sports Studio na pemfo yi se akensi ne betiensa to dwa eno a metiensa prapreche na no pay me ne o ka say no na se Adom Cluster Sports Team ne ho ha ye hwe nim se kwambias no ye de live coverage of Air Ghana versus Madagascar akensi no so ebetiensa bro me pem no ebetia ko na afi etia hwetwenkumo akra afi Mali ene Chad enso be chese kana afi Burkina Faso wo ene Guinea Bissau enso Adom Mackenzie ebetia aboso ewonom na yeba the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Mountain Camp here na se ne Akensi of Madagascar de be pemso no 9 4 PMC Gan El Baba Sports Stadium Asempa 94.7 FM Adom 106.3 FM ene Inshira FM be ketia fam ho ye the live commentary net yan sabronti enko ba bia modern da be se no mienu bi bremu de na Asempa nya sinkunya ye de nkomo no so 8 asabantia na wahye no so edi amame but ahead of the game no ana Chris Utin ene Mrantia no so etia sedins house so na nkoma wodi eja Ghana fuina eni.
The pressure that I'm under as head coach, that I'm always under, is to win football matches. And what we want to be able to do is we want to win football matches with good performances, score lots of goals and concede none. This is heaven. But we can't always have that. Ultimately, the most important thing is to make sure that we win. this is a group where we want to qualify, and the only way we can qualify is to finish this group in the best way, and the best way is to win football matches. So we are very conscious. We're very conscious of the demands of the public and what they want to see. But around that one, still always the most important thing is getting the wins that we need.
Well, Coach, good evening. My name is Solomon Amankwa from Onua Group. Prior to this game, there were a series of reports that the Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association had wanted to sack you if you don't win these games. Coming into the game, are you under pressure to win these games?
No, I have no problem with this question. My responsibilities are always is to get the correct results I need for this team, for the association, for the country, and for our supporters. It's the same in every game. The first game, the second game, the third game, nothing changes. Our responsibility as coaches is to get good results. That's all. The pressure that I'm...
And Chris Hutton, the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana head coach, say where Sanema ACL Costa Raskimono Numo boy maybe under pressure and ebini so. I was Sanema ACL Konyamia Domene, obeti deliver Eddie Americana Funa. Andre Rami Didi Morgan Ayo, captain for the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana. Another Yako United States of America na on County. It's an Sena Unyanya club, your lady, and paying for to send a friend Somra. Now the Ayo and Sonkuma Odieja ahead of Sagiwi any.
He's our captain. He has different values. I can tell you in the 2 days training that we've had, and similar in the training that we had in September. And when you see him on the training pitch, even without, and this is somebody without a club, but he's training every day. Maybe the circumstances would be different for a different type of individual, but he's our captain. He has value to what he can give us on the pitch, what he can show in training, but also he has value as our captain. We have, something that's not spoken about so much. We have a lot of young players in the squad. A lot of young players means a lot of inexperience in the squad. Andre has value as our captain, leadership qualities, and I think inspirational value to the younger players in this squad. So I think for him it's a more rounded reasons why he's in the squad, even though this moment he does have a club.
And say Coach Chris Hutton and Church Menti out on Saturday Andre Rami Didi Morgan Ayu Abel Piliba. Say on Samra team no be member man yama etian ko say or value say or the beka team no be tian sambo man yama etian ko ye ediamon eno pa hono na arawo sema no so etian san pie mu na no ada efa Rafael Dram na hono coach so esa kasafa
of every single one of us, and on a personal note, I knew him. I was manager of Brighton and Hove Albion in 2017 when we tried to sign him, and so he's somebody that I met. I was aware of the circumstances. We had just got promotion to the Premier League, so this would have been a wonderful opportunity first for him, but also in what was a very multicultural squad that I had. Would have been the first Ghanaian in my squad. So that would have been a very proud moment. So certainly we shall all remember him as players, and in whichever way we do this before. We pray before every game with the team, and he certainly will be in our prayers.
Well, as regards the program to honor him, we officially wrote to FIFA to seek their approval. And this afternoon, FIFA has positively responded to our request. So tomorrow we shall have a 1 minute silence in his honor before kickoff. Thank you.
Okay, so he will be in the thought.
Intines ensensho for nshimo etiensa piemu efa Ghana ene Madagascar kesekese etiensa to Jano and out Sir Chris Houghton, the head coach for the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana. One of the communications said Henry Asante Chum, the only practical English commentator in Ghana, but today Oje Jumana to so be kasa de ma one organization Ghana Football Association and out omo kase omde omukomo etiensa to Jano. But quickly SNF ho emfa nitiensa chim na yenko week 11 of the Ghana Premier League matches no very interesting dwumadi no so etiensa ppm no na obam resana niama ezie kwa na se enyade a niama ebetiensa kuya na mama me tempa so but okay week 11 and so anetia ba no Hearts of Lions emo kwando emo hwanim se omne Bechem United ebehia ewo Hoho Sports Stadium at 3 p.m. ana sa Kensin betia todwa memeda na so chena wia kataban so na Kensin betia baso na afa memeda na Kerala United ne Aduana Stars so de bepem so ewo Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium and also at 3 p.m. kwesiada matches na to aso Kumasi club ya Sanu after say Blasters efi baba sports no so beje ho aboso wo enemy Diama Sporting Club sa game we a bad life el start time so ba no so mam say game we game back no so mo be de pa say ko ba say Diama Sporting Club ekutwifa kotokofo so mufia wanhwa na anya sempa de ama head coach no but say embrem brekum Chelsea enso ne Lagos City so be shesi aka kweseda Golden City Park Real Tamale United and Dreams Football Club ebebo Liu Mahama Sports Stadium na fe Go Stars any Nations Football Club and also be any dance park and against no ebeba so na fe Tano bofo akwa esukito yi pebrim so any instratama and be shesi aka Sunyane Coronation Park and ede against bebo so na fe the Wonder Boys Great Olympics oli dade oli gbogbo oli mashi oli nkonso oli Pluto oli Juluju oli Rosalenda oli Acapulco Bay oli Adom Praise ana ehwe nim se omne Samates ede against bebo so and also beba so Accra Sports na fe Accra Lions in Kranjata so any Accra House of Folk and so ede bebo so ewo Accra Sports Stadium teacher so ma say win any matches betia but Accra Lions any Accra House of Folk there no Tuesday ana ebetia sabaso te be outstanding fixture and also ebetia pm ehonum memfa boxing kutubo so kakra so etia nja kwan dia hye no so ma say Isaac the Royal Stone Dogbe na sentem so we kind of bio ohwanim say kwan bia so no obetia face an unbeaten contender e friend Nick Ball akwani di no friend Nick Ball IBF featherweight eliminator and ohwanim say nyame adom ochina sa about no so ebetia sato dwa beba so UK Manchester Intinemsrel or Manchester NHS so na say o take it abetia akọ na ogwohwe sa KCB Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe say obey shoe was about her and also 18 years to Jonty and also Kumo and so betia saba but Isaac eden Kumo ha criteria say Ghana for FA expectations are among for enhwe e was KCB
in being nobodies. You know what I mean? Like I said, when you go through the records are there. You don't need to, offense that you don't need to talk too much. Just let the records show. Who has he really fought at the end of the day? Super bantamweights and whatever. I mean, listen, like I said, it's a different ball game when it comes to this level. So I hope that all that, buzz and is going to be a car crash. He brings it to the table on Saturday night. Well, he's got experience in being nobodies. You know what I mean? Like I said, when you go through the records are...
Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe Nehu and out in Castle didn't come 18 set to me your boy and Tinabo for next and ways yes no more but day of the bout Nakasana now with me Sampa and then Kabakano. Akaka crave but we dey wakanta medins yes nyame adom betun asa chere bobre wo sene dwubedi no ABC akomti Ghana food na fampa bo enter na chi memeda na sa kesi na de bechi kweseda no enso girim de den pa wo honom yenko Patrick Osajiman countryman Songo ho na fe Songo stick yewese na nkomo no ABC akọ enenso hello Songo
Professor over. Now call Blasters in our course all over we glass all over. The moment Holland the Blasters now also this is
true na me James Stashes of background but minya feedback no.
No go media no go just say assembly tiano odie senya odie Mami yi the clear say the assembly no betowa oh adini ya enkozet so ti asie udi hona o se mepe allow me wa
no cray
but ya o gala semi why dey bu ne minim ne udi na me why dey bu ne so unim ne this British guy why dey bu no well now na o kala otibi do mu etrasinaje wabo masuma yomu oh jina moya go oh my ahun de sala yeti fire wo sala so am ya ma if you see we ya ka bro mi no bi ni ya zaka wo mama le aye more fire bro and let me take no bibi Aye blasters coach no nyade coach no obi ahu so nyade kasa want to say one is why to send na otimi kasa sa o the broni dia ja blofo won timi ntro kra wote me bo one oh yes ena bluff me da Mr. Move to prof so asalo to aso ena the late Raphael Yamanabushi afo nyina yako and Raphael, we tried to sign him Tama, O Coach Brighton, O Mugeni promotion. Mugeni promotion to Zomopamo. O coach, ya would you 16th position one Mopamo. Because here, until Casa dear, Obetimia Casa, Blasters coach we, so Bruni, Otato, ya winning Bruni Groom, we walk out with him, Namekan of Bruni, and not only do our castle Montreal. Tiana sometimes we do our so camp of a good one in Blofoka. Ya and go for it, or they also been to Muntringer. But I will be so bit much trouble for the power baby, Necano, the simple no on the baby. Then he coach way, Casa dear, Blasters coach, obey me a Casa, Onim Casa, Onim Seni, obey church, the Nomum, after the one who's a public and supporters, Yeniabre. After one who's a Ghana for any abbey. Well, I will bring in Obi our qualify for AFCON. Every World Cup qualify. We say one who says supporters, just demand it, win. Woman who said born in yet, just say, perceive you should say blasters. Yes. Our qualified young kid throughout the qualifier, no born, on San no, dead you coaching. But a buga qualify. Buga. Sometimes we have to struggle. Sometimes not luck to be a bad. Now, if you are opponent, still now slow that down Ghana D1 na buga 1 new be and say the points. This is the moment. Madagascar only a real threat. Madagascar ne match ne no mobile only a real threat. Just say omu team bi omu so betimi a share. Your Bobo ni na Madagascar share ya enyam because you coach when you good coach. Presume when you good coach. Coaching the obi to me was coach be but and America no me kai so me say writing for permanent me bo akove. Ati when you coach bia me feel say obi to me bo Ghana sa. But and the game ni against Madagascar. Omo a red threat. Ewo you Kumasi Sports Stadium Baba and net 4 p.m. And obey me and your results be our PBA Madagascar. Unless Blasters a show off. Omo show said the Omo unless the Omuma grade A football. Mami fair news here. Now Blasters bowling and net. Hello, Oman gate fee. Sa gate fee no more can see can magana funkutia. Omo at the Blasters are a business. Abo matches, friendly matches, international. Ako a tournament. And kuntabuo wa Blasters no minu mi Ghana for you be transparent and clear. The last one a Ghana friendly matches are you lose against Mexico, against US. Sa 2 matches ni nyina ni sike PM sika ye de share Blasters sika omunya ye in the name of blasters ye Ghana Ghana nyai blasters enya omu chess kani nyina no minister no ga yede my for sa friendly match nimpo and please blast business for Mexico to whatever. Now, ball a cowboy who's scared by any blasters, a crown senior, Omudi, and ska, blasters, World Cup, FIFA the $10.5 million, almost 1.5 for training during the World Cup. I can 9 million. 9 million, no. I was sports minister, no. And now I'm president of the land, the Kufuado, because on the year buying on a blasters, the first father of the land. And now say finance minister, because finance minister bar parliament, our year budget is seminal, or can blasters as them. Also, my $10.5 million for World Cup. FIFA the Aba. I'm at the 1.5, and I must say, the year training and whatever expenses. I can 9 million. Tisa 9 million, I bind the idea. Sports ministry, what the idea. Cat, at the idea, I could do to my mom for a chana. And I said, I didn't work. MPP government and $9 million. No. Yes, blasters, they are buying the. You perceive who be a sense can walk or match. Omo the blasters, blasters, no, a here no, but omo a very, very competitive. No material tournament, a Jacob, a boom modi, I said, I'm a team now very attractive. You have players based on merit.
Okay.
I would say, you go to 1 million, 70, 60, and 30. And now, Ghana, yake. Sir, get free, no money on your free gate. Young like coffee blasters, Martin free. More beyond 2 years. What will be 2 years? Next, what shall that? Next, Ghana, I think, oh, I was shut down. I'll catch you what to say on money or money. So, what's the Ghana, I think? Now, Ghana, I think, blasters, et me. A bobo neska you bet me a boy football grammar Ghana. That's a blended dino at a swati, but and cophobia and payphobia officials HD. Not blasters, Ghana, young Humfasobia. Nanu Yamako, US, I could be a sicker by way of self friendly matches. You saying, you know, Musa Germany, Muchile or US, Muches Kama. You discount a mamma US for Mamuska, medical Mamuska, friendly matches. No, Mama Ghana of well. Now, Musa Guya Nimasi, Mexico share USA. Who sports minister more any cat, no, Mobile drew Ghana, and I said, blasters are Baba World Cup qualifier. What's the Ghana for 2 years for gate? I am not thinking about any maintenance culture. And your blasters seek away.
Okay, so
that's the match will be my I mean, the Aquacu City, Kumati Sports Edomo. Also, will be in free gate. Wow, we see on money, my thing, economy, Ninko, a Kufuado, and my dear, Hochirono. And then, costed one more fee. Men costed one more Okaku, Yisi Kakakra, would be show, would be to our water bill, would be to our light bill. So, would the Quaku to blasters match. Okay, Omumia get free. Omo the blasters, a boy apo, Omo the blasters, a boy apo, Omo the Dinko assembly. Okay, so good. Omo we are almost at the say, Yayan Kotueska, a free gate, Omunian free gate. More Bianco Tuascano, Omumia gate, no more Oka, no more person who do sketch in a chill, Oman Casa de Bacas free gate, Oman now say, okay, no way. Omo my own who no crow blasters, who transparency, new. Okay, fireman. But Omo, yeah, accountability, yeah.
Okay, and see Patrick was my countryman Sungu and at Seneca Sungu stick. Ana yede ebre ono hye no smam se richuku omoto akiri ye pa na no pay omodi anda se wo ye fifi dia na set me kan richuku ni bia wetin din so nwa bo betin din so hye so etia sambo richuku ebo master to din right in the Ghanaian way omodi anda se onsa ebetia ka bi game park games fon so e de nhyehyɛ so kwatia samba draw ne ba so Adom TV so anopa awia ana afen so nwumere omodi anda se do ho betia sa jime betia boa emwasesa osika dwetire ho enso enkomo within the Prof. Equal as I could catch back up and of course, evidence based sports presentation to